Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about concatenate function. With the use of concatenate function, we can combine the data in more than two different cells. Now let's see how it works. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Let's get into the topic. So now we have this the employees data. In this employees data, we have a fields like personal title, last name, first name and middle name. So if you want to combine all these fields into together with one name, so we can use concatenate. Concatenate, open bracket, and select entire data wherever you want and close the bracket plus enter. So we can get like this. And also we can use concatenate data. Concatenate. We can use concatenate option also, but in this concatenate option we have to select separately, comma b3, comma b4, comma f5, d3, bracket close and enter. Suppose in these columns in between first name and last name and last name, first name, middle name, there is no space. If you want to add anything, you can select here and give some space to space, enter. Now in this formula you can select, if you select this space also, you can select this space, automatically space will come in between names. We have to freeze this. Now with this use of formula we can combine the data in very easy way. Suppose if you forgot, if you remember this formula concatenate like that, directly you can put the formula, you can select here A3 ampersand to select whatever the fields you want. And if you want space here, you can add space here, or else you can directly mention here with quotes, space, quotes, ampersand. Like this also you can do. If you want anything, add anything, it will come here. Suppose if you give here like that, so it will come entire sheet, no need to freeze anything. So hope this video will helpful to you. um, Thanks for watching, thanks for your time and patience. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you very much.